Hello, simple and user-friendly step-by-step guide to making we're diving into the world of Cuisinart coffee makers to help you find the perfect model that
1
suits your
tablespoon
needs.
instant coffee
We'll
powder,
explore top models,
2 tablespoons
their
sugar,
benefits, and provide a
taste.
usage guide to
1
enhance
quarter
your
cup
coffee
warm
experience.
water.
Top
1.5
Cuisinart
coffee
chilled
maker
models.
models.
Cuisinart
4
DC
to 6
3214 cup
Optional,
programmable
1
coffee
scoop
maker.
vanilla ice cream.
Features fully automatic.
Optional,
24-hour
chocolate syrup for
programmability.
garnish.
Brew strength control
Instructions.
for regular or bold
Dissolve
coffee.
coffee and sugar.
Self-cleaning function
In a
and
blender,
auto shut.
combine the
benefits.
instant coffee powder
Ideal
and
for
sugar.
families or
Add the
gatherings
warm
with
water
its
and
14
blend
cup
until the
capacity.
mixture becomes
Customizable
frothy and
brewing
the coffee
options
and
to match
sugar
your
are
taste
fully
preferences.
dissolved.
Easy
Add
maintenance
milk
with the
and
self-cleaning
ice.
feature.
Pour in the
Usage
chilled milk
tips.
and add the
Utilize
ice
the
cubes.
programmable
If
feature
you
to have
prefer
coffee
thicker
ready when you wake up.
consistency,
Regularly
add
clean the
scoop of
machine
vanilla
to
ice cream
maintain
at this
optimal
stage.
performance.
Blend
Cuisinart
until frothy.
SS15P1
Blend the
coffee
mixture
center.
until it's smooth
Features
and frothy.
dual
This should
functionality
take
with
about
a
1 to 2
single-serve brewer
minutes.
and a 12-cup carafe.
Prepare serving
Compatible
glasses.
with K-cup
If
pods and
desired,
ground coffee.
drizzle chocolate
Adjustable
syrup inside the walls of your
single
serving
serve
glasses
6,
for a
8, and
decadent
10
touch.
Benefits.
Serve.
Versatility to
Pour
brew
the
a
blended
single cup
cold coffee
coffee
into the
pot,
prepared
catering
glass.
to different needs.
Optionally,
Flexibility
top with
to
an
use
additional
various
scoop of
coffee
ice
types
cream
and
and a
flavors.
drizzle of chocolate
Usage
syrup.
tips. Perfect
Enjoy
for
your
households with
homemade
varying
cafe
coffee
style
consumption
cold
habits.
coffee.
Ensure to clean
Here's
both
a simple
single-serve
and
and
user-friendly
carafe components
step-by-step
regularly.
guide to making a
Cuisinart
creamy and frothy
DCT20
cold coffee at
touchscreen
home.
14-cup
Ingredients.
programmable coffee maker.
1 tablespoon
Features
instant
coffee
coffee
screen
powder.
control panel.
2 tablespoons
Brew
sugar.
strength control and
Adjust to
24-hour programmability.
1 quarter cup
brew
warm
pause
water.
feature allows you
1
to
and a
pour
half
a cup
cups
mid
chilled whole milk.
Benefits.
4 to
Modern
6
design
ice
adds
cubes.
elegance to your kitchen.
Optional,
Large
1
capacity
scoop
suitable
vanilla
for
ice cream.
entertaining guests.
Optional,
Convenient
chocolate
features
syrup
for
for garnish.
personalized brewing experience.
Instructions.
Usage tips.
Dissolve
Familiarize
coffee and
yourself with the touch
In a
screen
blender,
controls for
combine the
efficient use.
instant coffee
Use
powder
the
and
brew
sugar.
pause feature.
Add the
for a
warm
quick cup
water
without
and blend
blend
until the mixture
Benefits
becomes
of
frothy
Cuisinart
and the
coffee
coffee and
makers.
sugar are fully dissolved.
Programmability.
Add milk
Set
and
your
ice.
coffee maker to brew
Pour
at a
in the
specific
chilled
time,
milk and add the
ensuring
ice
your coffee is ready
If
when
you
you
prefer
are.
a thicker
Brew strength
consistency,
control.
you can add a scoop of
Customize the
vanilla
strength
ice
of
cream
your
at this
coffee to
stage.
match your preference.
Blend
Whether
until
you like
frothy.
it mild or
Blend the
bold.
mixture until it's smooth
Self-cleaning
and
function.
frothy. This should take
Simplifies
about 1 to
maintenance,
2 minutes.
prolonging the lifespan of your
Prepare
machine
serving
and
glasses.
ensuring optimal
If
taste.
desired,
Usage
drizzle
guide
chocolate
set.
syrup inside
Place
the
your
walls
coffee
of your
maker
serving
on a
glasses
flat
for a
stable
decorative
surface
touch.
near an electrical
Serve.
outlet.
Ensure
Pour
all
the
components
blended
are
cold
clean
coffee
before
into the
first
prepared
use.
glasses.
Water
Optionally,
reservoir.
top the
Fill
reservoir
additional
with
scoop
fresh
of ice
cold
cream
water
and a
up to the
drizzle of
desired
chocolate
level.
syrup.
Considering the
Enjoy
number
your
of cups
homemade
you intend
cafe
to
style
brew.
cold coffee.
Coffee filter. Here's a simple
Insert
and
and
user-friendly
user-friendly
step-by-step guide to making a creamy and frothy cold coffee at home. Add the appropriate amount of ground coffee.
1 tablespoon
Typically
instant
1
coffee
tablespoon
powder.
per cup.
2
Adjusting to
tablespoons sugar.
taste.
Brewing.
Adjust to taste. Select your desired
1
brew
quarter
strength
cup warm
and,
water.
if available,
1 and a half
programmable
cups
timer.
chilled whole milk.
Press the brew button
4
to
to
start.
6 ice
Maintenance.
cubes.
After brewing,
Optional,
discard used
1
coffee
scoop
grounds
vanilla
and
ice
clean the
cream.
filter basket.
Optional, chocolate
Regularly
syrup for garnish.
descale the machine as per the
Instructions.
manufacturer's
Dissolve
instructions
coffee
to
and
prevent
sugar.
buildup and
In a
maintain
blender,
performance.
combine the instant coffee
By
powder and
understanding
sugar.
the features
Add
and
the warm
benefits
water
of
and
these
blend
Cuisinart
until the
coffee
mixture
makers,
becomes frothy
you can
and the
choose
coffee
the
and
model
sugar
that
are
best
fully
fits your
dissolved.
lifestyle
Add
and
milk
enjoy
and
a
ice.
customized,
Pour in the
hassle-free
chilled
coffee
milk and add
experience
the ice
every
cream.
day. If
Happy
you prefer a
brewing.
thicker